Alright, so if your OTP code isn't working on Binance, yeah, that can lock you out pretty fast. But don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try right now. First, make sure your phone's time is set correctly. OTP codes depend on exact timing, so even a small mismatch can cause errors. If you're using an authenticator app, go into its settings and resync the time correction. OTP codes expire quickly, so enter the code as soon as it appears. Don't wait too long. Make sure you're using the OTP for the correct Binance account. Multiple accounts can cause confusion. If you saved backup codes when setting up two-factor authentication, you can use one of those to log in. Sometimes a simple restart fixes sync issues. Just restart your phone and try again. If you have SMS verification enabled, try using that instead of the Authenticator app. If nothing works, you can request a two-factor reset through Binance support. They'll guide you through identity verification. And yeah, that's how you fix most Binance OTP code problems. Just go through these steps, and you should be able to log in again pretty quickly.